Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna make your old shoes that look like this into this. Now let's get it started. The homie Randy wanted me to bless him with a quick little sneaker cleaning. Now it looks like he wore these to just about every single place he could, and they're looking a little dusty and they're looking a little crusty. In today's video, we're gonna be using my premium sneaker cleaner, which will be linked down below in the description. Right now, I got a discount code for you guys to use if you guys wanna try this out at home. Now I'm not gonna bore you guys talking this whole video, so I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon for the next one. I'm out. Peace.
Don't wanna look back at the past, but these days only getting harder. I've been holding on for way too long. I put the karma over drama. Nowadays I'm moving smarter. It's the only thing that keeps me strong. And I don't wanna be the one to break your heart, but I can promise you that I'm the one to stay. Cause I do better by myself, I swear I don't need no one else. And I don't wanna have it any other way. This money coming in, but it don't change a thing. Cause I've been on it, trying to push me out the way, but I'm gon' get to it regardless. Bitch lying to my face and now they wonder why I'm heartless. It's embedded in my brain and it's been fucking with my conscience. I need that ice around my neck, I love the way that it be shining. I know I ain't perfect, but I hope you see me trying. Hide a lot of pain, I'll cover up when I be smiling. Making noise like symphony, she's singing like a violin. How you changing on me, can't believe that I was fucking with you. Now they speaking on me, they don't know about the shit I've been through. Watching every move, it's funny how they tryna press the issue. Do me wrong and only once and tell me what that karma gets you. Holding back these years, the only thing to do is reminisce. Staring at the mirror, I kept my word and I ain't breaking it. I know how it feels to walk around and think you don't exist. This one for the kids who feeling broken, hope you feeling this. Don't wanna look back at the past, but these days only getting harder. I've been holding on for way too long. I put the karma over drama. Nowadays I'm moving smarter. It's the only thing that keeps me strong. And I don't wanna be the one to break your heart, but I can promise you that I'm the one to stay. Cause I do better by myself, I swear I don't need no one else. And I don't wanna have it any other way. I can never let it go, I've been holding on too long. 80 proof inside my body, some days I can even cope. I'm so used to feeling broken, yeah, I felt the ground before. People telling me to stop it, just keep holding on to hope. And I get tired, I keep trying and trying so many times. Trying to keep my sanity, reading between the lines. I'm just showing all the sympathy, had to leave it behind. Cause I know they won't do the same for me until I ain't alive. People leasing all these chains and all these foreigns just to flaunt it. I just wanna make my family proud and get them what they wanted. Bitches never kept it real, I swear they always be dishonest. I've been waiting for that day until we take off like a rocket. Early morning, long nights, make it hard for me to sleep. It's like a rope around my neck, it's getting hard for me to breathe. They don't know all my potential, they just kept me underneath. Now they hearing all my songs, I got them clenching on their teeth. Don't wanna look back at the past, but these days only getting harder. I've been holding on for way too long. I put the karma over drama. Nowadays I'm moving smarter. It's the only thing that keeps me strong. And I don't wanna be the one to break your heart, but I can promise you that I'm the one to stay. Cause I do better by myself, I swear I don't need no one else. And I don't wanna have it any other way.